Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the forex chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. Right now, Euro USD is trading at 1.0989. This is the current market price of Euro USD. First of all, I would like to tell that we have seen recently that our stop losses are getting hit very frequently. Market is kind of very much confusing right now. We can see that best of the best trade setups are failing. So if this thing is also happening to you, then do not confidence. This is the market, just the phase of the market. Okay, the market will be back on track again. So please use proper risk management. The only way to survive in this market is to use strict risk management. Okay, and if possible, do not carry forward your positions during the weekend. That can be a very scary event, because during the weekends many things take place. So it is better not to carry forward the positions during the weekend and to stay safe. Okay, now let's talk about the chart of Euro USD. Okay, so you can see that Euro USD is still sideways. Basically, we do not have any big changes on the chart right now. The resistance at 1.1125 is still valid at the top. This is the strongest resistance in the market, and the ultimate resistance is at 1.1200, the 200-period moving average. Okay, which along with the Fibonacci retracement level, this is a very strong resistance zone, 1.1200. Okay, so this is far away right now. Okay, so as of now, 1125, 1.1125, 1.1130, this is a very strong resistance for the market. Then comes 1.1043, 0.1040 to 1.1050. Okay, this is a minor resistance in the market, not a very strong resistance, but a minor resistance in the market. For day trading purpose, if market goes up, just observe the market, how the market is reacting around this level. If you see that market is unable to cross the 1.1040, 1.1050 level, if you see market is facing price rejection from above, market is unable to cross it, okay, then it is a confirmation, it is an indication that sellers are still present in the market, and you can take a sell position, okay, at this level. But keep in mind, in this market we have three resistances. Okay, this is the strongest resistance, number one. This is the second strongest resistance, and this is the minor resistance, number three. So these are the resistances in the chart of Euro USD. Before I proceed, my dear friends, I would like to say that, as you all know, that I'm on a mission right now to spread knowledge. Okay, and I have launched the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you really want to learn about the market, if you're serious about the market, and if you're looking for something like this, then you can check out the link in the description. And I have also launched the Pro Trader program. Those who are looking for signals, this is the world's cheapest signal service. I think only $2 per month you can use it. And if you're someone who is trying to build up a career in trading, or if you want proper guidance, you are looking trading as a career option, then you can also check out the Pro Trader career option here as well. Okay, I have got two separate divisions, you can say. Okay, Pro Trader career and Pro Trader Lite. Pro Trader career is for those who wants to become a professional trader, and like me, not like me, better than me. And Pro Trader Lite is for those who are looking for signals only. Now Euro USD. The strongest support on the chart of Euro USD is this. I have already discussed. This is the strongest support in the market. 0.0820, 0.0800. This is the strongest support in the market. In case something bad happens to Euro USD, if there is a sharp fall in the market, you can expect that Euro USD will get the required support around this level. Okay, there is a high possibility of market bouncing from here. Okay, Okay, but if EURUSD fails also, then we have 0.0900, 0.0900 or 0.0920. This level is also a very strong support for the market. This level is important because this is a support from the weekly chart. 0.0900 to 0.0920. This support is from the weekly chart. This is also a very strong level, and if this level fails to hold Euro USD, then we have the ultimate support here. Okay, this is a sideways market, so buying at support, selling at resistance is the only strategy you should be following right now. Okay, and if anything crazy happens, obviously I'll come and tell you what should be your next strategy. Okay, but you can see that I have also marked one more level here, and that is 0.0960. This is also a support in the market. 0.0960. This is a support from the for the day trading purpose, but keep in mind, in comparison to the weekly support, this support is not a very strong one. And as we have already discussed that recently our stop losses are getting hit frequently, so be careful while taking a buy at this level. So if market comes down to this level, observe the market first and see how the market is reacting around this level. If you see price rejection from below, if you see prices respecting this level 0.0960, then only take a buy position and use proper stop loss, because best of the best trade setups are failing these days, so you must be protecting your hard-earned money right now. Keep in mind, be a trader, not a gambler. Okay, so hopefully we get it. Sideways market, so buy at support, sell at resistance is the best strategy, and if possible, do not carry forward the positions over the weekend. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.